5G, cloud, and AI, integrated with industry expertise, are reshaping every aspect of our world. Cities are becoming smarter. Industries more creative. And enterprises faster and stronger. It's time to come together and greet this new era and build a world full of all-scenario intelligence.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Huawei Connect 2020. The morning session of today's keynote is Building an Intelligent World Together with Ubiquitous Cloud and Intelligence. 尊敬的各位来宾，欢迎来到华为 Connect 2020第二天上午的活动现场。今天上午的主题是让云无处不在，让智能无所不及，共建全场景智慧。Please welcome Mr. Ho Jinlong, President of Huawei's Cloud and AI BG. He will open today's keynote with his speech, Intelligent Twins, Building an Intelligent World Together. 有请华为云与计算 BG 总裁侯金龙先生带来今天的开场演讲，打造行业智能体，共建全场景智慧。
Ladies and gentlemen, friends, good morning. Welcome to Huawei Connect 2020. Yesterday, Rotating Chairman Guo Ping delivered a speech on creating value with synergy across 5 tech domains. We believe that the convergence of these 5 tech domains can accelerate the intelligent upgrade of enterprises and industries and create new value in the following 3 aspects. First, to reinvent experience. For example, one QR code for metro and bus travel, free-flow highways, and one ID for airport travel. Second, to optimize process. For example, AI has been used to assist COVID-19 CT diagnosis, accelerate drug screening, transition sample check of synthetic fibers to full check, and review contracts. Third, to enable innovation. Drones, for example, based on cloud, 5G, AI, intelligent edge collaboration, are deployed at ports, power grids, mines, among other lifeline industries for intelligent inspection, thus achieving unmanned and automatic inspection. From this value, we can see that intelligent upgrade is key to improving core competitiveness of enterprises and industries. During intelligent upgrade, however, we face various challenges. First, challenges from edge and device. There are various devices and environments. In the intelligent era, these complex and isolated devices need to be coordinated, and software and algorithms need to continuously upgrade and iterate to facilitate flow of data and intelligence. Second, challenge of connection. Existing physical connections cannot meet diversified requirements of industry scenarios, including for bandwidth, latency, number of connections, and industry specifications. In the digital world, there is also the need to connect people, things, applications, and data. Third, challenge of applications and data. How do we break data silos and connect data of different departments? How to align old and new applications, and how to help old applications evolve and to simplify development of new applications. Finally, AI applications need to be combined with industry know-how. However, what often occurs is that people who understand AI do not understand the industry, and those who understand the industry do not understand AI. How do we converge 5G, cloud, AI, computing, and applications to address these challenges? Today, I will make a significant release. Please watch the video. I now officially release the Intelligent Twins. There are QR codes for the Intelligent Twins white paper on both sides. You are welcome to scan. Intelligent Twins are the reference architecture for governments and enterprises' intelligent upgrade. With cloud at the foundation and AI as the core, the Intelligent Twins are capable of all-dimensional perception, all-domain collaboration, precise judgment, and continuous evolution. They enable an intelligent open system. There are 4 layers: intelligent interaction, intelligent connectivity, intelligent hub, and intelligent applications. Intelligent interaction connects the physical and digital worlds, enabling software, data, and AI algorithms to flow freely across cloud edge device. Intelligent connectivity helps the Intelligent Twins cover all scenarios, connect all things, and achieve the collaboration of applications, data, and organizations. Intelligent Hub is the brain and decision-making system of the Intelligent Twins. It is built on cloud infrastructure to enable applications, data, and inclusive AI. With respect to intelligent applications, Huawei innovates together with customers and partners to combine ICT technologies with industry expertise, reconstruct user experience, optimize processes, and enable innovation. The Intelligent Twins, through the connectivity, cloud, AI, computing, application integration, are perceptive, conscious, actionable, and evolvable. The Intelligent Twins feature cloud, network, edge, and device collaboration. They are an integrated and intelligent system. Why cloud, network, edge, device collaboration is required? The following is an example. We and Shenzhen jointly released the Shenzhen Intelligent Twins. Let's look at weather forecast scenario as an example. HD cameras are deployed in the city by districts to collect cloud, rain, and fog images and data. This data is sent back to the cloud through 5G in real time. The data is then combined into meteorological images, then fitted with data from weather radars. With AI technology, we can accurately forecast weather changes within 4 hours. In addition, the models trained on the cloud are pushed to the edge so that cameras can also identify drizzle, fog, among other minor changes in weather. Such collaboration of cloud, network, edge device generate smart meteorological applications, allowing people, through mobile phones, to learn about weather changes within 1 kilometer radius anytime and anywhere, and schedule trips according to the weather changes. This case demonstrates that 5G, cloud, AI, and intelligent edge convergence have resulted in integrated intelligence system and delivered industry-leading smart experience. Let me talk about the components of intelligent twins. Intelligent interaction is like the outstretched arms of intelligent twins. It makes the intelligent twins perceptive and actionable. The core of intelligent interaction is IEF, an operating system across the edge and cloud. IEF can be embedded in the partner's devices and turn those devices into intelligent edge of Huawei Cloud so as to access the intelligent twins. It can be deployed intelligently on demand. IEF can interconnect with various operating systems, such as Harmony OS, so that the Harmony OS ecosystem can be easily connected to Huawei Cloud. Huawei has made the Cube Edge, the kernel of IEF, open source to the CNCF Foundation, which is currently the most popular open source community in the intelligent edge field. Currently, there are more than 500 core contributors for Cube Edge, which has already been widely used in industries. For example, based on IEF, the Highway Gantry Management System of China manages over 100,000 edge nodes on highway gantries. All the nodes are managed automatically and intelligently. Every day, over 300 million pieces of information are collected automatically, and over 500,000 applications can be automatically pushed to the edge for deployment and upgrade. As a result, highway toll stations are no longer congested. This also paves the way for V2X and autonomous driving in the future. Intelligent connectivity is like the body of the intelligent twins that links the intelligent interaction with intelligent hub. For intelligent connectivity, physical connections such as 5G cover all scenarios and connect all things. On how to build intelligent connectivity, my colleague Wang Tao will share his views in his keynote speech this afternoon. On the basis of intelligent connectivity, the Huawei Cloud ROMA offers collaboration across applications and data, reinvigorates legacy applications and data assets, enables data assets to flow and be shared between old and new applications. As a result, applications and data are shared holistically. WeLink is adopted to offer collaboration between people and organizations, enabling employees, partners, and customers with new experience brought by the intelligent twins. The intelligent hub is like the brain and decision-making system of intelligent twins. Its core is the hybrid cloud architecture and the three enablements, namely the enablement of data, application, and AI. During intelligent upgrade, many customers want to access rich advanced services of the public cloud, but also wish they have local deployment so as to retain their O&M habits while ensuring data security and regulation compliance. However, traditional private cloud and public cloud solutions cannot fully meet such requirements. So, we wish to build a hybrid cloud solution that truly meets government and enterprise requirements. The Huawei Cloud Hybrid Cloud solution synchronizes public cloud capabilities and can be deployed locally, from mixed resources to hybrid capabilities. To align with the organization architecture and the service processes of governments and enterprises, so as to implement one cloud from the perspective of users. First, we need to align with the organization architecture and the service processes of governments and enterprises. For example, Huawei's 5-tier VDC solution of hybrid cloud can better align with the multi-level organizational structure and the business process of governments and enterprises. The solution provides managed service and O&M service, enabling IT employees to transition from O&M staff in the backend to production personnel in frontline. Second, Huawei's hybrid cloud solution can be deployed locally, so that data is stored locally and your data is at your disposal. Third, this solution synchronizes public cloud capabilities so that governments and enterprises have access to the latest technologies in the world. These are the three critical enablement for hybrid cloud. Next, I want to talk about the three enabling platforms. First, application enablement. How do we make application development easier? Enterprises need to develop a lot of new applications. The Huawei Cloud Roma enables development with few code or zero code, supports fully cloud-based online development and a one-click deployment across online and offline. It continuously distills industry assets, reuses software assets, and enables partners and developers to develop applications in a Lego style. In addition, enterprises have lots of legacy applications and databases. Huawei Cloud Roma provides service-based platform to connect new and old applications and data to enable enterprise IT with simplified development and realize smooth evolution of enterprise applications and technical architecture. Take Huawei itself as an example. With Roma, Huawei's application development cycle has been shortened from 10 months to 1 week. Next, AI enablement. The Huawei Cloud Model Arts make AI development simpler. AI enablement is the core of intelligent twins. Model Arts make AI development and management throughout its lifecycle simplified and automated, allowing beginners to develop AI applications. You can't develop AI if you know coding. In this way, we enable experts to focus more on algorithms and models-related research. The Model Arts packs expert know-how into suites and workflows and into templates to help partners and developers quickly and conveniently develop AI applications. Take PetroChina as an example. Based on industry capabilities, PetroChina leveraged the Knowledge Graph suite of Huawei Cloud to quickly build professional models for well logging to identify oil, gas, and water layers. The identification time has been shortened by over 70%, and expert-level accuracy has been achieved. Intelligent applications showcase the value of the intelligent twins. Huawei innovates together with customers and partners to reconstruct user experience, optimize processes, and enable innovation. Business departments, IT departments, and the partners' participation is critical. Only by focusing on requirements and the scenarios of business departments will we create valuable intelligent applications. Take the comprehensive traffic governance in China as an example. To achieve comprehensive governance, the road management section took the lead. Other related departments collaborated, and Huawei and partners participated. We focused on business requirements and scenarios, broke barriers between road management section, command section, and other departments, optimized the overall process, realized cloud network edge device synergy, and built integrated traffic governance and command platform. As a result, the congestion index was reduced by 8%. The law enforcement efficiency improved by 50% and the command efficiency by 25%. In Huawei's own digital transformation practice, we also adopted intelligent twins. For example, through IEF, we connect Huawei's cameras, sensors, smart screens around the world, in total over 6 million interactive devices, to deliver intelligence at edge. We introduced Wi-Fi 6 and 5G to all campuses. We use WeLink to connect nearly 200,000 employees and over 1 million partners and customers. We converge all resources and data on Huawei Cloud and provide IT capabilities via cloud services. We have embedded AI into all Huawei's main business processes, covering over 200 application scenarios across sales, R&D, manufacturing, supply chain, delivery, and etc., and have created more than 8,000 digital employees. Based on Huawei's own practice, we can share 3 points of experience. First, we believe AI is ready to enter all main business processes. Second, focusing on scenarios is critical. Start from top scenarios, especially repeated, massive, and complex scenarios. Third, business department's participation is key. For instance, in the supply area, Huawei operates in over 170 countries around the world and has 190 central warehouses. By embedding AI into the whole supply process through intelligent twins, the accuracy of goods volume estimation has been improved to 70%. Packing involves over 8,000 types of boxes and over 30 types of vehicles. The AI sorting algorithm has improved the loading rate, and this alone can save up to 100 million RMB. Our customs declaration involves 23 languages around the world. We adopted OCR to achieve bill recognition accuracy of 99%. The intelligent route optimization reduces the exceptional cost of goods pickup by 35%. So far, our order fulfillment cycle has dropped by 76%, and this led to a saving of over 7 billion RMB last year. We have turned these capabilities into services on Huawei Cloud and offer them to everyone. Engineering project delivery is also a key business of many companies. Huawei, for example, delivers over 3 million physical sites every year, and there are over 50 million installation items that need to be accepted. In the past, supervising engineers, customers, Huawei employees, and partners had to visit sites in batch, which led to multiple acceptances that was time-consuming and laborious. With AI, however, videos are transmitted to the back-end in real time, where visual analysis and quality inspection algorithms check compliance of each item. All components and sites are remotely and intelligently accepted. The site acceptance time is reduced from 4 hours in the past to less than half an hour. After adopting AI into engineering project delivery, we saved over 6 billion RMB last year. Besides these Huawei's own practices, the intelligent twins have also been explored and practiced in over 600 projects around the world. Take the free-flow highways as an example. We transformed 9,400 toll stations and 80,000 lanes in the country. All highways in the country are being connected. We realized non-aware toll collection. Congestion at toll station was a big problem in the past, but that has been mitigated today. With Yongfeng Steel Group, we integrated AI and industrial mechanisms, resulting in steel rating accuracy of over 95%. With rating efficiency hundreds of times higher than if done manually. Intelligent twins are an open ecosystem. During intelligent upgrade of government and enterprises, prosperous ecosystems of software and services and of edge computing are key to the development of intelligent twins, which will give birth to plenty of opportunities in these two industries. In the next 5 years, the global market space of software and services will reach $1 trillion. Software will be cloudified and SaaS-based at higher speed. Huawei Cloud is positioned as a neutral cloud service provider. In application, software, and service ecosystems, we are completely open. Through application, AI, and data enablement, we are committed to developing SaaS-based software and intelligent upgrade and building the best service and operations platform, helping partners achieve business success and advancing a sustainable software and service industry. For edge computing industry in the next 5 years, the global market space will reach $500 billion. Huawei Cloud is also open to the edge computing ecosystem. Partners' devices through the IEF can connect the intelligent twins, where they interface with the Harmony ecosystem and share the dividends of intelligent upgrade. We wish to work with partners to build prosperous ecosystems, grow industries, and boost the intelligent upgrade of industries. We always believe that customers and the partners' successes are the only true successes. That's all for my speech. Thank you very much. Coming up, let us witness the birth of the first city intelligent twins. We and Shenzhen will be jointly launching Shenzhen Intelligent Twins. Please watch the video.
This is a novel city. She embraces new ideas and endeavors. From a special economic zone to a digitally inspired city, technology is reshaping every aspect of life here. Monitor waterlogging and sewage for a cleaner, greener Shenzhen. Precision weather prediction safeguards every trip. Drone-powered electrical grid inspections keep every household warm at night. Rapidly respond to flight schedule changes for a more efficient airport. AI-powered ports make logistics faster and safer. High computing power applied to finance spots potential risks lurking in data fluctuation. Monitor every intersection and traffic light to optimize traffic flow. Autonomously evolving AI technology diagnoses massive numbers of patients in seconds. Intelligent image analysis makes the city safer. The intelligent Cloud Operation Center coordinates city-wide operations and real-time scheduling with just a click. The synergy of 5G, cloud, AI, and computing creates a perceptive, conscious, evolvable, and familiar city. Shenzhen is growing with every person, business, and organization in it. Shenzhen Intelligent Twins.
Today, we're launching the Shenzhen Intelligent Twins officially. Please welcome to the stage Ms. Liu Jiachen, Director of the Government Services Data Bureau of Shenzhen Municipality. 有请深圳市政务服务数据管理局局长刘嘉诚女士登台。Mr. Ho and Ms. Jin, please place your hand on the screen before you. 请两位领导共同开启鹏程智能体，将您的右手放在您面前的屏幕上。我们一起来倒计时：3、2、1。Shenzhen Intelligent Twins are now officially released. Congratulations! 让我们用最热烈的掌声祝贺鹏程智能体正式启动。请两位领导合影留念，记录这个历史性的时刻。Thank you, Ms. Liu. Thank you, Mr. Ho. Please take your seats. 感谢刘嘉诚女士，感谢侯金龙先生，请两位落座，稍事休息。Please welcome Ms. Wang Yaowen, Deputy Director of Government Services Data Bureau of Shenzhen Municipality, to deliver a speech, Shenzhen Intelligent Twins, Setting the Gold Standard in Digital China. 下面让我们欢迎深圳市政务服务数据管理局副局长王耀文女士带来演讲，打造鹏程智能体，创建数字中国城市典范。
Distinguished leaders, experts, guests from home and abroad, good morning. It is my privilege to be invited to HC 2020, a major event of technology. I would like to take this opportunity to share with you some of our practices on developing smart cities in Shenzhen and also share with you our visions about the intelligent twin in Shenzhen. This is a very special year, namely the 40th anniversary of Shenzhen Economic Zone. So over the past 40 years, Shenzhen has evolved from a fishing village to a mega city of 20 million people. We have also created a legend or a miracle of the history of cities around the world, and that is attributable to many of the DNA of the city: reform, innovation, openness, and inclusiveness. We believe technology plays a critical role. Over the past 40 years, Shenzhen has also seen its IT sector booming, from informatization to networking, and further to digitalization and intelligence. The era has changed a lot. Along this path, Shenzhen has always stood at the forefront of the application and development of IT, and we have also been home to Huawei and other tech giants. And the level of smart city in Shenzhen has also reached the top tier of the world. We have advanced information infrastructure, like the gigabit optical network, the sensing supercomputing center, and cloud brain. In August this year, we took the lead in the world to effect citywide 5G SA coverage, so Shenzhen has taken the lead to enter the 5G era. We have also accumulated a huge amount of data governing all walks of life and all aspects of city administration and economic development and public services. Since last year, we have held the Shenzhen Open Data Innovation Contest. By opening government data, we would like to launch the convergence and innovation of private data. Good results have been achieved. Our digital applications have flourished. iShenzhen, Shine, Shenaiqi, and the Public Service Command Center have joined their forces to provide uniform services to the people, namely one ID for full access, one stop for innovation and entrepreneurship, and one screen for lifestyle. So the facility of lifestyle is available on your palm. And for city administration, one map for full awareness, one button for full picture, and one system for coordinated operation has made our public services smart. Our digital economy is also thriving. In 2019, the total size of digital economy in Shenzhen amounted to 2.78 trillion RMB, the highest among all Chinese cities. On August 18th last year, as you know, the central authorities issued a major document to support Shenzhen in the development of a pilot demonstration area for China. That is another historic opportunity after Shenzhen was designated a special economic zone. From test field to the demonstration area, Shenzhen has taken on a new mandate and refreshed the position and the challenges. And that is a new demand and a higher requirement for city development. How can we actually develop a more sophisticated and smart and scientific city governance system and make Shenzhen a model city for digital China? That is our new mission. Facing this new mission, we are thinking whether it is possible for us to develop Shenzhen intelligent twins and use it to guide our future development. We have partnered with Huawei to conceive our outlook. Let's take a look of this intelligent twins. It is data-based, and 5G, cloud, IoT, big data, and a host of other cutting-edge technologies will be packed. And digital infrastructure, network, hub, brain, and body will be developed to enable data-driven, ML-able, city-class integrated smart collaboration system. So by the digital infrastructure project, we can develop city-level infrastructure with cloud and network coordinated. So the city will be able to get a high-speed, convenient, and efficient network connection and high-performance mega computing. By the digital network, we are going to develop intelligent IoT awareness networks. By the sensing network of IoT and intelligent services, all people and objects can be connected, and interactions become possible among them. By the Digital Hub project, we can develop a city-class data intelligent interaction and a sharing system so that the data can be shared in a secure, orderly, and a smooth manner around the city. By the Digital Brain project, we can develop a city-level intelligent hub, including the hub for data, business, and AI. It will be able to process our metadata, perform processing, analytics, and judgment, and develop instructions and distribute such instructions to the outside. And by the Digital Body project, myriad applications will be developed to provide diverse yet specialized smart services to all walks of life. From my presentation, I believe you can tell that data-driven intelligent sensing, machine learning, and collaboration will be the hallmarks of our intelligent twins. It is going to use digital and intelligent ways to connect and sense and serve the whole city. With the powerful digital space, the limited physical space can be empowered. All domain perception, network-wide collaboration, all service convergence, and all scenario intelligence will all become possible, so that the city of Shenzhen will be able to sense, think, evolve, and inspire. The individuals and corporations in Shenzhen will be able to access proactive, accurate, intelligent, and efficient urban services. The Shenzhen intelligent twins will not be lifeless silos. Rather, it is going to be the digital embodiment of the vigor and warmth of this young city of Shenzhen. It will be with Shenzhen along the way, carry the same warmth and vigor to serve everyone in the city and the city itself, as well as the high-quality development of digital economy here in Shenzhen. The construction of the Shenzhen Intelligent Twins, of course, is a massive project that requires the participation of the government, private sector, the residents, and the community. We are going to develop an open ecosystem through coordinated planning so that Huawei and a large number of other tech firms, experts, scholars, social organizations, and the people will be able to also participate, play a part, so that the intelligent city will be conceived, constructed, and shared by all. We are people-centric, and Shenzhen is digitally inspired. That is the ultimate goal of our intelligent twins. You are all welcome to join us in Shenzhen to co-create the intelligent twins in Shenzhen, so this city will be exciting because of you. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Wang, for your speech. Ms. Wang introduces to us Shenzhen intelligent twins that are perspective, conscious, evolvable, and familiar. Shenzhen is setting the gold standard for smart cities, bringing the benefits of a smarter, better future to all people living in it. 感谢王耀文女士为我们带来的精彩分享，为我们生动地描绘了一个以人为本、为城赋能，让城市能感知、会思考、可进化、有温度的鹏城智能体形象，分享了深圳的探索和实践，为我们展示了鹏城智能体如何助力数字经济样板城市的建设，让市民和企业充分地享受城市智慧化建设带来的成果，共享未来美好生活。Next, please welcome Dr. Xiaoli Zhi, Dean of the College of Artificial Intelligence at China University of Petroleum. Dr. Xiao will share with us how AI delivers a difference in the intelligent upgrade of the oil and gas industry. 下面让我们欢迎中国石油大学北京人工智能学院院长肖立志先生带来工业领域产业智能升级的经验分享。有请。
Distinguished guests, both online, offline, on-site, and remote. Good morning, everyone. It is my delight to attend this event and be invited to share with you how AI is applied in the oil industry. Oil is not only a lifeblood of the industry, but also a daily necessity. Through our life, an individual will consume more than 9 tons of oil. In terms of what we wear, what we eat, and what we trade internationally, nothing is possible without oil. Oil is liquid, buried in the tiny holes in rocks 1,000 meters deep underground. We can't see them, we cannot actually touch them. Our knowledge underground because of the complexity and the depth is even less than the knowledge we have about the space. How can we find the reserve? Experts have devised all kinds of methodologies and techniques involving geophysics and drilling. So we have gradually developed our knowledge base about the underground world by logging, drilling, rock physics, seismic data. We can collect a lot of data about the geophysical features underground. And by processing the data, we can remove noise, extract the geological attributes, and interpret the results of processing. Then we'll be able to tell whether there is any oil or how much is extractable. In China, there's a lot of resources of oil. However, the geological structure is hugely complex, and the quality is inferior in many cases. So the conventional exploration technologies face severe challenges. One key indicator of the quality of exploration is the success rate of exploratory wells. That means the percentage of the wells with industrial oil flow among all wells. Now, by conventional ways, the success rate is as low as 50%. But the data set is huge in size. For example, so each time a 3D seismology will create hundreds of TB, if not PB level data. And the data sources are also myriad. For example, earthquakes, gravity, magnetic, and electric integrated exploration, logging, prospecting, and testing data. By different measurements, they can actually tell us what is like in the underground world, but they are uncertain and open to various interpretations. While handling such complex and heterogeneous data, experts can hardly interpret all data in an accurate and complete way. So the conventional technologies are prone to errors and are slow in cycle. In the digital and the data-driven AI era, we can use brand new ways to look for oil and resolve our difficulties. Enterprise-level AI development platform has become the basis of empowering oil exploration with AI. Model Rs of Huawei can help industry experts to master the AI development capability within a short time frame. With the platform, we can also combine the domain knowledge in oil industry with AI, so that in the entire industrial chain of oil industry, numerous smart applications can be used, so that AI can push the oil industry into the era of intelligence. The intelligent twins focusing on the Model Rs for oil and gas can be a new engine that fills the oil and gas industry to a new height. And that has been initially used, and early results have been achieved in seismological interpretation. So we can say we have taken a solid first step in applying AI in oil industry. The hub can sense, know, decide, and these technologies can help the oil industry develop oil-specific AI model. And the intelligent twin for oil and gas industry can be also merged with a host of intelligent work streams, so the models can be embedded into the business flows, and AI can be landed at the various links of the oil and gas industrial chain. At the scenario level, industry experts can collaborate and share and increase their work efficiency a lot. This is a video about how we use the intelligent twins for the seismological interpretation. The human activation of seismologic waves is the start, and then the shock waves will be reflected underground and fed back to the surface. Then the data and the signals will be collected. Computers will process the signals and create images. With the AI enabling tools provided by the oil and gas intelligent twins, with metadata, we can train the AI model and identify the faults in the image-based seismology and find the continuous strata, then develop the basic structure of the underground world. But that is not enough to give us all the information we need about the geological structures. the logging instruments will be used to do the testing and measurement. And the data retrieved can actually help us decide the rock attributes underground. So then machine learning will be able to process the logging data and profile the complex relations between the logging data, seismological data, and the oil and gas reserve. Then the parameters will be able to be used to identify reservoirs. And Huawei Cloud has developed in-depth partnerships with many oil companies and universities so that the AI of the intelligent twins can be used for E&P business. Machine learning requires a lot of labeling, but that is slow and expensive on a manual basis. Sometimes it is even impossible. To resolve the needs of data labeling, we have built the geological knowledge into mathematical models and exercise simulation and develop a lot of fault samples. And such simulation can reduce the need for manual participation by a big margin and increase the efficiency of data labeling. By Huawei Cloud Model Arts, we can accurately, efficiently perform such modeling and training jobs. And with the strong computing power of Huawei Cloud, we can actually train numerous samples and increase the efficiency of data interpretation and shorten the cycle from months into hours. The reservoir prediction is a cross-disciplinary issue. With the intelligent twins for oil and gas, multimodal data modeling can be used in conjunction with expert knowledge. As you see in the video, we can combine the seismological interpretation data, logging data, expert knowledge, domain knowledge, perform the AI analysis, and then make the characterization and deliver the accurate forecast and prediction. Our accuracy level can be raised by at least 20% versus the other AI-based methodology. In the oil and gas industry, intelligent twins have a bright future and more use cases. With the Research Institute of Petrol Exploration and Production of CNPC and the Daqing field, Huawei has worked with these companies and used the technology in multiple E&P scenarios. So for not only E&P but also the midstream warehousing, pipe operation, and transport, they can be all used. At the downstream, the smart factories, refineries, gas stations can be all enabled, and that will usher in a revolution for oil and gas industry. AI is digitalizing and intelligizing the oil industry, so there will be a less cost, more efficiency, and higher quality. AI will bring the oil industry to its future. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Xiao. AI is driving an intelligent upgrade in the oil and gas industry. We believe that oil and gas intelligent twins will bring all scenario intelligence to the industry. 感谢肖立志先生的精彩分享。我们相信油气智能体在未来将打造石油工业的全场景智慧。Now please welcome Mr. Jia Yongli, President of the AI domain from Huawei Cloud BU, to deliver the keynote speech, Building an Intelligent World Together, Pervasive Intelligence for All Scenarios. 下面有请华为云业务人工智能领域总裁贾永利先生带来今天的主题演讲，让智能无所不及，共建全场景智慧。
Respected leaders, guests, friends online, good morning. Just now, Mr. Hou Jinlong launched a reference architecture for intelligent twins, which can be used to help governments and enterprises to upgrade intelligently. AI is at the core of this architecture. How can we implement AI in all industries? Now, let me share with you Huawei's exploration and practice. In 2018, we said we need to be scenario-based when we want to implement AI, and we proposed 3 key scenarios: repetitive high-volume work, expert experience, and multi-domain collaboration scenario. If we look at that today, it is still very important. We've defined the scenarios, but is that enough for us to successfully implement AI? After working on a number of projects, we found that there are still not sufficient AI computing power. We need to develop a continuously evolving system. That is very important. And also, AI will require organization changes and coordination of different organizations. And talent is also very important. So in 2019, we summarized the 4 key elements for AI commercial deployment. Till today, Huawei Cloud has been used for over 600 AI projects. By summarizing experience from these 600+ projects, we found that for 30% plus projects, AI is in their core production systems. And for those projects, they have improved efficiency by 18%. The cost is also down. But we've found more in-depth problems. The first one is, how can we help industrial experts and AI experts to understand each other and work towards the same goal so as to implement AI in industries? That is a challenge. Second, each industry has a lot of expertise accumulation and has formulated many mature physical, chemical, and biological knowledge expression mechanism models. How can that be integrated with AI? And another thing is the upgrading of the traditional systems. How can they be upgraded smoothly and orderly? Well, behind all these questions, it is all about how can we combine industry knowledge with AI. Today, I will show you a brand new methodology, that is knowledge computing. Knowledge computing is defined as abstract, express, and compute all forms of knowledge and generate more accurate models, then use them to enable machines and people. We know that every industry has accumulated huge amounts of knowledge through their development journey. For example, mechanical modes in production systems, industry-specific technical literature, precious experience in the brains of experts, historical methodologies, test reports, etc. Knowledge computing, together with AI is the enabler and amplifier. AI itself cannot create knowledge, but AI can help industries to significantly improve the efficiency of knowledge utilization, save a lot of time for experts, and create more value for industries. We think that knowledge computing is a new path for us to utilize AI in industries. Huawei Cloud is going to launch our knowledge computing solution today. This knowledge computing solution is supported by Model Arts, the AI development platform, and there are 4 key modules in Model Arts. One is knowledge acquisition, which is responsible for extract knowledge of different forms and convert them into knowledge. This is the first step of converting information or data into knowledge. The second module is the knowledge modeling. It is a tool for knowledge expression, etc. The third one is knowledge management, including lifecycle management and knowledge updating, etc. The fourth module is knowledge application, which covers searching, recommendation, and inference, etc. We believe that with such a solution, industries can use it to build up their own knowledge platforms, especially for the knowledge-intensive industries. This solution is more valuable. To achieve knowledge computing, first of all, we need powerful AI capabilities. For example, in terms of knowledge acquisition, we need to extract knowledge from forms, videos, images, etc. In knowledge modeling, we need to have automatic knowledge graph construction capability. We can do that in minutes. Knowledge management, which is carried out through graphs and represented by graphs. We have trillion-level edge management capability. If we are to use knowledge computing in all industries, we also need powerful computing capabilities. Model arts through various types of optimizations, for example, model edge optimization, parallel distributed computing capability. We have continuously enhanced AI computing power. With model arts Ascend 1024 MPU to train the full set of ImageNet, it will only take 28 seconds. This is the best performance in the industry. Let me give you another more complex case. Using model arts for the prediction of protein folding. The function of protein is highly relevant to its 3D structure. How to predict this 3D structure of protein is very challenging. We're using model arts to support that. And it has helped us to solve a lot of complex and difficult diseases in the healthcare sector. Together with Shanghai Institute of Material Medica of the Chinese Academy of Science, we established a joint team to have developed an iFold algorithm using model arts. And we got the best iFold model with the support of model arts. According to camel test, iFold algorithm's performance has surpassed the industry's best by around 20%. So with powerful technologies and knowledge computing capabilities, how are we really going to solve the problems faced by industries? We know that in the industries there are many mechanism models which are high-dimensional and non-linear ones. Because our recognition of the world is quite limited, and also because of a lot of hypotheses and simplified computing, the models may not 100% reflect the physical world. For example, it's like a shooting. The mechanism models can ensure we can hit the target or shoot the target, but it cannot always ensure that we can shoot the center of the target. With knowledge computing, we are able to catch a lot more details. Together with AI, we can have better computing results. By doing so, we can ensure we can shoot the target, the center of the target every time. Mr. Guo Ping shared with you the coal industry case. Actually, this solution is applicable to many more industries. Now, I'd like to share with you another typical case. This is from Watson, a stainless steel company. This company is a very leading company in China producing special steel. Special steel is also alloy steel, which is produced by adding a certain proportion of one or more alloy elements into carbon. So the alloy batching is very important. In the past, because of the different batches of raw materials, experts needed to adjust the batching multiple times in order to have the right results. It usually take a long time for the experts to do that, and the prediction accuracy of the final product's content mix was only around 80%. Our team worked with the experts to have reviewed the 6 mechanism models and identified the key constraints and also the formula. Then used 1 year's data to train the model. The results are very satisfactory. Through one prediction, we can finish the batching process. The accuracy is over 95%. The batching cost saving alone is 20 million RMB per year. Today, for a company to save 1% cost, it is really difficult. If we combine AI with mechanism models, we can get very good results. Let me share with you another research case. We know that esophageal cancer is a very common cancer. The 5-year survival rate is only 15%, which is very low. But if the patients can be diagnosed in the early stage, the 5-year survival rate can be increased to 84.1%. But using traditional clinical ways, it is very difficult to detect the disease in the early stage. We worked with Beijing Institute of Genomics of Chinese Academy of Sciences, Professor Han Dali. We collected the data of several hundreds of patients and analyzed the DNA hydroxymethylation modifications, and then used AI to compute the data. This sample is quite small compared with the total number of DNAs. If we use traditional ways to predict, it will not be very accurate. Well, use AI. We combined this gene knowledge graph with AI and then model it. The results are really exciting. The accuracy is improved by 9% compared with the traditional ways. I think this methodology is applicable to many other industries. Transportation is a topic that everyone is interested in. But transportation is quite complex. It is the result of adding multiple layers of elements together. To address transportation issues, it's not just about directing the traffic at the road crossings. We need to look at the whole city, look at the design of different functions in the city, and also study the psychology of the individual participants. How can we combine all of these different elements together? Using knowledge computing and intelligent twins, we have already covered over 300 road crossings. We'll gradually expand the implementation. We have already reduced the congestion quite significantly. We will continue to apply such kind of solution in ports, airports, and other traffic domains in order to improve the experience of the users. I believe that intelligent twins enabled with knowledge computing will and will support all different industries to take off. Huawei will work with our partners to work towards this goal. Thank you.
Please invite Mr. Guo Yongfeng, General Manager of the Digital Department from the China FAW Group. He will share with us accelerating intelligent transformation with knowledge computing. 有请一汽集团数字化部总经理郭永峰先生带来演讲，知识计算平台助力一汽智能化升级。
Distinguished guests, good morning. I'm so honored to be invited to the Huawei Connect 2020, and I would like to also thank Huawei for this platform for us to share FAW's practice in digital transformation. I would like to discuss the intelligent computing or knowledge-based computing platform. FAW. We were founded in 1953 and called the eldest son of the automotive industry in China. We have many famous brands like Hongqi and FAW. Hongqi is called the symbol of the People's Republic. In 2018, we refreshed this strategy, and we would like to turn this brand into a premium brand unparalleled in China and reputable in the world. So this premium brand is now under rejuvenation. Under the leadership of Chairman Xu Liuping, the workforce has introduced a lot of ambitious reforms and innovations. We have also accelerated R&D and new model launches. Over the past 2 years, we have leapfrogged. So in 2017, what we saw was only the Hongqi models for the VIPs, but now we have introduced H7, H9, and for different segments. In 2018, our sales was only 30,000, and then last year it was 100,000. This year the target is 200,000. By August, we have already sold 100,000 despite the pandemic. Although the market went down by 10%, our brand had a sales increase of 8% year-on-year. So now we are in full gear, charging forward. President Xi Jinping inspected our factory on July the 23rd and also tried our new products, and he called us the unique scenery for the successful performance that we have had. President Xi made 2 instructions on the Chinese automotive industry. First, we must be aspirational to develop domestic brands. Second, we must be masterful with core technologies. With the technological revolution turning the automotive industry around for unprecedented changes over the past century. So the industry is now under transformation for high-quality development. We fully appreciate how important and urgent this is. So digitalization has been identified as the core of the group's strategic transformation. In April, we launched our digitalization strategy and defined our mission to be drive nice mobility with digitalization. And our focus is empowered business, smart products, intelligent ecosystem, and value-added by data. So by focusing on the mid-office, we would like to innovate, digitize, and premiumize core businesses as core and data as engine. And the digitalization is not only about the transformation of a product ecosystem and the operation model, but more fundamental is the transformation of the skill set of our employees. In the auto industry, there are new trends such as the rise of intelligent and connected vehicles and new materials, and the requirements they raise are quite different from what we had to deal with, like materials and mechanics. And how can we resolve such new challenges? That is a question facing all of us. We look forward to a platform which are the basis of scenarios. The digital technologies can be deployed to reach rapid solution. So the Huawei platform has made it possible. Next, I'm going to show you a video to intuitively present the changes brought to us by the knowledge computing platform.
计算会给汽车工业带来怎样的改变？一辆汽车包含1万多个零件，系统繁多，结构复杂。培养一名技能熟练的维修专家需要3年时间。应用知识计算平台可以大大缩短这个过程。通过自然语言交互，知识计算平台可以准确理解问询意图，锁定问题，将原本分散在专家脑中各种书籍中的知识，精确推送到使用者眼前，实现业务的快速赋能。平台串联专家非结构化知识，优化制造流程与工艺。平台根据零部件历史运行数据及维修信息，给出设计优化建议。销售人员随时获取最新车型信息，以专家级服务解答客户疑问。一汽集团让知识参与计算，以极致体验的产品和服务，打造世界一流的移动出行服务公司。
Our knowledge computing platform is based on the data mid-office and Hongji Smart Cloud as a hybrid cloud and integrated Huawei knowledge computing solutions, including a closed cycle of acquisition, accumulation, application of data. So the knowledge is structured and digitized and made into relational structure. Knowledge can be standardized, shared, and intelligized. So it is no longer the case that workers look for knowledge, but by wanting is getting. So you get what you want by searching for the data in our system. So that can scale up the employees. So that is a production line of knowledge, so the data structuring efficiency can be raised by 30%, and that is the attribute of data-driven knowledge acquisition. The engine can also make us agile in building our knowledge base. Based on this platform, we have developed a maintenance handbook, which is a mobile app for our repairers. Now, many of the vehicles are electrified and intelligent and connected. For the new professional of maintenance, the skill set required is quite different from the traditional mechanical cars. To resolve the lack of experience, inefficiency of fault analysis, the long cycle of maintenance, and a poor user experience, we have actually integrated our maintenance logs, manuals, cases, and expert experience, and our internal knowledge in terms of Q&A and search functions into this app, so that the voice-based search and interaction is possible, and the mechanics can actually describe the problems on cloud through voice or photos. Then the smart solution will be recommended, and the joins and the key information will be provided. So after it went live, the one-time repair rate was up by 4%, and the waiting time down by 23%. So user experience has been improved in this regard, and the experts can also provide less on-site support. So that requirement is down by 30%, and the training cycle is shortened by 30% for technicians. So there is enormous gains in terms of reducing cost and raising efficiency, and we are going to deploy it to the whole value chain, from R&D all the way to services. For example, in terms of production, road tests, the quality defects can be actually fed back to the R&D and merged with the R&D work streams, so the R&D will be more efficient and successful. And we also need to train a lot of interns to fix our complex equipments, so the equipment knowledge can be also correlated to shorten the training cycle of our technicians. Dear colleagues, knowledge is power. With a Huawei cloud, knowledge is more intelligent. We can actually make more use of the technologies and make better use of our knowledge and push forward our transformation. In the future, we have open mindset to partner with Huawei and other ICT partners to co-create the bright future of a digital China and the digital world. Finally, I would like to end my presentation. Hongqi actually made dreams come true and ideals fly high.
Knowledge computing has unleashed the power of knowledge and transformed the relationship between knowledge and people. 以前是人找知识，现在是知识找人，知识计算释放知识的力量。感谢郭永峰先生为我们带来的一汽智能化升级的实践分享。Next, please welcome Mr. Liu Yangming, President of Hybrid Cloud from Huawei Cloud BU, to share with us Building an Intelligent World Together, Ubiquitous Cloud for All Scenarios. 有请华为云业务混合云领域总裁吕阳明先生带来“让云无处不在，共建全场景”智慧。
Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Thank you. My topic today is Building an Intelligent World Together, Ubiquitous Cloud for All Scenarios. This morning, Mr. Hou Jinlong launched the Intelligent Twins strategy for building an intelligent world. Then what kind of cloud services are required for the core services in Intelligent Twins? We believe you should be equipped with 3 capabilities. First, it should help fast adoption of new technologies and services as provided by public clouds. Second, it should be aligned with the corporate governance structures as provided by private clouds, so that it can help ensure data security. Third, it should satisfy the field operation with computing capacity as provided by edge clouds. Are there any hybrid cloud solutions that can meet all these needs? At present, there are various hybrid cloud models in the industry. One of them is a simple combination of public clouds and private clouds of different vendors. However, the silos make it impossible for private clouds to share the new technologies and services as well as application ecosystem from public clouds. This model is a closed one, and evolution is hard. Another model is public clouds for enterprise DCs. It benefits from fast iteration and innovation in cloud services, but it is not able to be integrated with the legacy enterprise IT. Unified O&M is difficult. Therefore, piecing together public clouds and private clouds is simply not enough. Today, we redefine the hybrid cloud solutions from integrating resources to capabilities, which means the hybrid solution should leverage fast innovation in public clouds and the easy O&M in private clouds. That is the real hybrid cloud solution that we need. Huawei Cloud Stack offers public cloud capabilities and can be deployed locally. It's able to obtain the new technologies and services from Huawei Cloud, while at the same time, it extends intelligence to the edge via IEF. To the enterprises, it functions as one cloud. Huawei Cloud Stack offers brand new capabilities in cloud services, cloud management, data enablement, and application enablement, thus accelerating enterprise intelligence upgrades. The latest version of Huawei Cloud Stack have been commercially deployed in the China National Grid and ICBC. As we carry out joint innovation projects such as smart preventive maintenance inspection of power grids and smart banking branches. Then let me talk about the cloud services. It is not just the IT department, but the business departments of companies are starting to leverage cloud services that calls for more capabilities such as AI, blockchain, and big data analytics. We all know the public clouds implement innovation fast and iterate continuously. The question is how to implement these capabilities inside an enterprise. Huawei Cloud Stack and Huawei Cloud are both built on the Qingtian architecture, which lays down the foundation for synchronous upgrades between them. 3 phases and 11 steps. Standardized and lightweight engineering approach is adopted to sync up new service capabilities in Huawei Cloud Stack. Now it offers over 70 cloud services in 10 types for the enterprise DCs. We have one-click deployment, one-click upgrades, and integrated implementation. The most up-to-date cloud services are quickly delivered to the enterprises. Next, cloud management. Large enterprises usually have hierarchical organizations across different locations. Take Huawei as an example. Its IT systems span across over 170 countries and regions, supporting functions such as supply, procurement, manufacturing, sales and delivery, as well as R&D, altogether 17 functions. The Internet-style cloud management scheme is designed for one-level tenant management. It can hardly satisfy the needs of large enterprises. Our cloud management platform is called Manage One. It provides a multi-dimensional management model. It can support up to 5-level management for each tenant. It's designed for hierarchical, privilege, and domain-specific management so the IT resources can be governed precisely. In the case of National Grid, we offer a solution of 1-level operation and 2-level O&M while matching their group and provincial subsidiary organizations. The group gets the holistic view of the networks, when the provincial subsidiaries attend to the local O&M. Data enablement. Data is the new productive element. Data silos are the common challenge facing the enterprises. Sharing data across departments is difficult. Huawei's process and IT department has over 430 underlying data systems, producing 8,700 raw data tables. Data analytics required a lot of data extraction, transformation, loading, and transfers. It took us at least 1 week to produce a monthly financial report. By implementing the logic data lakes, producing a monthly financial report only needs 1 day. We don't have to transfer data, and we're able to share the data with different functions at different locations. That is how we have shortened the time it takes to generate a monthly financial report from 1 week to 1 day. Next, multi-location collaborative analytics. Let me take the detection of fake car plates as an example. If the same car plate shows up at different locations at the same time, it's very likely that it is a fake. The traditional approach is to aggregate data from different locations. We have to move the data around, and then we cross-check the data. It involves large amounts of data transfers. Analysis is inefficient and usually takes days. Logic data lakes have 2 key capabilities that make multi-location collaborative analytics possible. First, holistic data map is built on the blockchain-based trusted data feeds. It shows where is the data. Second, allocating tasks to the relevant data lakes according to the map. Analysis is done locally with no need to move the data, but we have great computing capacity to finish the analytics. We're able to achieve real-time detection of fake car plates without moving the data around. Next, application innovation. The problem with traditional app development inside the enterprise is fragmentation. That leads to heavy workloads of integration with the legacy systems. It is inefficient and it needs to change. We can orchestrate application asset and equipment asset in a legal way to realize faster innovation. As we have learned lessons from our internal digital transformation, we are exposing our capabilities in the Roma application enablement platform. The Roma platform includes 10 business streams such as supply, procurement, manufacturing, sales and delivery, over 200 business objects. Smart outlets as an example. It is integrated with outlet operation, user profiling, CCTV, and asset management. All these processes have been embedded. All it takes is easy orchestration to get the business up and running. Roma platform is composed of application, development, connectivity, and governance. These three components form an integral whole. An app is developed on the Roma platform, then it is automatically registered at the connectivity platform. Then the registered apps and business flows are registered on the governance platform as assets. The assets can be called and used by the development platform to develop new apps with higher efficiency. Huawei works with Shenzhen Airport on future airport project and apply Roma platform for fast innovation. The AI engine is developed by using the pipeline services, and cloud-native applications are developed. Then connecting the connectivity platform with the existing operational controls and flight information systems of the airport enables smart assignment of parking bays. Yesterday, Mr. Guo talked about this example. Such automation can save 2.6 million passengers from taking the shuttle bus to board the plane. To conclude, enterprises need a brand new hybrid cloud solution for intelligent upgrades that integrates not just resources but capabilities. Our solution is well matched with the enterprise governance structure, delivers unified management of local clouds, public clouds, and edge clouds, creating a one cloud view for enterprises. A brand new hybrid cloud, ubiquitous cloud with pervasive intelligence. Thank you. Next on is our distinguished guest from ICBC, Mr. Zhang Xinhui. He will share with us the ICBC implementation of hybrid cloud solution.
Mr. Zhang Xinhui's speech is entitled Leading Cloud Infrastructure Fuels ICBC's Intelligent Transformation. 有请中国工商银行数据中心副总经理张新辉先生带来打造业界领先的云基础设施，助力工商银行智慧转型的演讲。
Distinguished guests, colleagues, good morning. It is my privilege to be invited to Huawei Connect 2020 and speak about leading cloud infrastructure fuels ICBC's intelligent transformation, the title of my presentation. ICBC has always attached great importance to fintech and take it as one of our core competencies to drive the transformation and the innovation of our business. At the turn of the century, we have a major project that centralized our data and intensified operation. And around the turn of the century, we became the first Chinese bank to have the super large database. In 2014, we made the completion of the 3 centers in 2 locations and broke away from the traditional disaster backup model and had the parallel operation of 2 centers and were awarded by the central bank for our innovation. We were also the only commercial bank that received such PBOC prize for 2 times. Because of our knowledge of the technological trends, we have visionarily kicked off our IT architecture restructuring and used cloud, big data, AI, and new technologies, and developed open, high-capacity, scalable, cost-controlled, secure, reliable, efficient technology system. And such a system has laid a solid foundation for our transformation in the smart banking business. In 2019, we launched the Smart Banking Ecos 1.0 and developed a new banking ecosystem combining finance and technology. We have also developed an ecosystem of open partnership that took ICBC to a new phase of fintech development. I would like to discuss the new IT infrastructure, distributed system, financial cloud, new generation of network and big data. So by developing the mainframe plus open platform architecture, we have increased the processing power of a core banking system. When our business volume increases by 20% year on year, the information system and production system can still work smoothly and securely, and that is a viable path for the transformation of the IT system of large banks. We have also consolidated the industry-leading OSS to do our R&D, and we have developed a technological leadership. Our distributed technical system includes 9 technological components, including the distributed databases, and we have also covered all the main areas of distributed technologies. Second, our transformation is thorough. We have made a full conversion of 150-some applications. So we have made our model distributed from business access, application logic, all the way to database. So we have been the most aggressive mover in terms of distributed application. We have also moved the core system from IBM mainframe to the lower tier of the architecture. We have moved forward the downloading of the accounting and settlement and the customer information system. So such a core information business can be supported by a robust business underlying framework. Second, we have also set up the open platform account system, including the capital account and trading account. Third, we have also developed the local applications of a payment service, a reserve service, and forex transactions. We have used our robust systems to ensure the sound operation and innovation of such high-frequency business. In the financial industry, we have also taken the lead to develop a robust, super large, flexible, and efficient financial cloud platform encompassing IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS into one. So we have realized the pooling and automation of a super large set of resources, and as well as the visualized and intelligentized O&M and a multi-tiered, secured, and highly available guarantee. So our infrastructure cloud orchestrates the computing, storage, and network resources, and resulting in major efficiency gains. Our application platform also hosts the 10K plus containers clustering operation and dispatching and second level elasticity to cope with the business spikes. Our financial ecosystem cloud provides better and quicker, seamless financial services that are embedded into the user scenarios and provide the governments and the corporates with the seamlessly integrated industrial solutions that are so well integrated with our financial services so that we can serve more ecosystems. Though we have now more than 60,000 cloud nodes for infrastructure platform and 30,000 containers for the application platform. This has earned us an award from the central bank, and we have been named as a pioneer and a leader of the development of financial cloud. The Huawei Cloud product has also moved out higher along the ladder of secure and reliable cloud. We would like to become a benchmark of the industry and provide a replicable and scalable experience for the digitalization of banking industry. The massive application of the new technologies are quite demanding to the capacity of network infrastructure. With the support of Huawei and other partners, we have kicked off the new generation network planning and development. Now we have developed the industry-leading SDN network database in terms of leading size and functionality. We have also introduced NFV technology and ensured the convergence between the cloud and network. We can also provide IPv6 and IPv4 protocol stacks. So once you open our applications, you can access IPv6 services. We have also developed the SDN network to effect global intelligent fine-tuning and increase the backbone capacity by 10 times. So that will be able to support our innovation and development in the next 10 to 15 years. We have also followed closely the progress of 5G technologies and developed several 5G smart banking outlets in 2019. We are going to deploy further the 5G technologies in our bank and make outlets more intelligent and provide brand new services to customers. You are all welcome to visit such a 5G-enabled banking outlets of ours. The big data innovation is a process for us to use new technologies to better harness the power of data. By iterating the new technologies, we have turned from data-assisted decision-making to decision-driven decision-making model, and that has also increased our capacity to create value from data. Our big data architecture comprises technological platform, digital mid-office, and business ecosystem. Technological platform includes a cloud, big data, and AI technology, and this is the basis of technology that empowers our intelligent service. Data layer actually consolidates all the big data and the shared services, and the business ecosystem supports the data storage, data mining, all algorithm application, and all scenario deployment. The development of big data platform went through automation, digitalization, intelligence, and ecosystem-based development. These are the 4 phases of our development. By working with Huawei, we have resolved the challenges in terms of storage, computing power, and algorithm for AI. And we have also supported the development of data lakes, data warehouses, and a group-level information library. We are going to speed up and deepen our cooperation with Huawei to further improve the availability and elasticity of our big data platform and support the ecosystem using our data mid-office to support our digital transformation. We have also integrated the AI big data service cloud, cloud computing, 5G communication, blockchain, and IoT technologies, and developed the industry-leading ICBC intelligent twins. When the IT revolution and banking transformation converge, and we would like to speed up our digitalization and intelligence, we have focused on distributed cloud, new generation of network, AI, and new other technologies. We deepen our partnership with Huawei and make new innovation attempts and achieved new results. In the future, we would like to join your ranks and contribute our part to the drive of digital transformation.
Thank you, Mr. Zhang. The ICBC Intelligent Twins, built with cutting-edge technologies like cloud computing, AI, and 5G, will become the new engine that drive ICBC towards a future marked by all-scenario intelligence. 感谢张新辉先生的精彩分享。依托云、AI、5G 等新技术打造的公银智能体，将成为智慧转型的新引擎，加速工行迈向全场景智能。Stay tuned to Huawei Connect 2020. There will be more keynote speeches this afternoon. 今天下午我们还有更多精彩的内容，请看大屏幕。